Hello, everyone. Yeah, remember T-Lite's dead. It just doesn't power on anymore. You know, nothing. No light. If I plug it in USB, I get the blue light. No, I didn't take the battery out and reverse the polarity on the battery. To give you a breakdown of kind of its last legs or steps, I was out flying just today. Actually, yesterday for many of you or all of you, and just doing some tuning on a quad that I've been working on and doing some general flying. I just like to go out and fly, not always for review purposes. Came back in, working from home, sit down at my desk, and decide I'll give it a little juice up. Plug in the USB cable, give it a little juice up. Afternoon goes by, get ready to leave the desk, go make dinner for the kids. I note that the blue light is still on, so I unplug it, and then for whatever reason, I hit the power button and it didn't respond, and that was concerning. So I took the battery out, put it back in, hit the power button, nothing. Tried a different battery, nothing. Got the multimeter out, checked the battery voltage. Yeah, battery voltage 4+ volts. Pushed the little tabs out a little bit, put the battery back in, nothing. Took the battery out, plugged in USB, tried to power it up, nothing. Put the battery back in, nothing. Put the USB and the battery back in, nothing. Essentially, my gut feeling on this is that I may have left it on the charger too long and it doesn't have a voltage cutoff, or the voltage cutoff in it is faulty and ended up frying some internal electronics. It's just a guess. I don't know this for certain. I am very disappointed. This radio was working out really well for me and what I do, largely here on the channel. So I did order another one, and me ordering another one is not an endorsement. It's mainly because it works really well for me, and I want to know if it was just a one-off. Maybe it was going to die regardless of me charging it or not. Maybe. I've been using this every day for flights since I got it, really, and I've paired all sorts of, or bound all sorts of stuff to it, which is a pain, and I've got some stuff I'll have to tear apart to bind again now. But at least for the time being, until the other one shows up, I'm back to using the Tango 2. It's a really good radio, but it's just different. It's just different. I can't explain that. So, in short, hopefully this video is very short. If you have a T-Lite and you bought a T-Lite based upon my review or the fact that I've been using it, I hope it works very, very well from you. I still like it. I'm disappointed that it died. And I hope that you have a better experience than I did with the one I have here that is dead. And if you want to be extra cautious, maybe don't charge the batteries inside the controller. Maybe. Just a thought. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, or otherwise, please let me know in the section down below. I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching.